Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.